In this guide, we are going over how you can play multiplayer or co-op multiplayer online with friends here in Slay the Spire 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, obviously launch the game, and once you're at the main menu, you're going to see this multiplayer or co-op mode. Go ahead and select this, and from here, one player needs to host the lobby. So in this example, let's just go ahead and say I'm hosting, so I'll select host, and it's going to immediately take you to a page that looks something like this. We'd go ahead and choose whatever character you're planning on playing as. As soon as you go ahead and do that, you're going to be waiting for other players, and as you can see, if you look up in the left corner, you're going to see an option to invite. You select that, it's going to open up the Steam Friends menu, and I don't really have any friends online right now, but essentially what I would want to go ahead and do is select them. It'll send them an invite, and then of course you could do the exact same thing to the next person. It'll send them an invite just like so, and after you go ahead and do that, you need to just wait for them to join. After everybody joins, each player will choose their class. And during your run, each team member will vote on the path through the map, deciding, together which fights, events, or elites to take on. Co-op also introduces multiplayer-specific cards and powerful team synergies, allowing players to support each other and combine strategies to defeat bosses a lot more easily. As of right now, co-op is only available through Steam, meaning that there's going to be no local co-op, couch playing. And there's no crossplay yet either, so everyone needs to be playing on the Steam version. But that is how you can play co-op multiplayer here in Slay the Spire 2. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.